Hey, it's Christian, and I decided it was time to go on a rant about game design and AI. So listen, game design isn't just some shit that you slap together with the right code or the latest AI tools. And that's because game design is a craft. It's the art of creating worlds that pull players in and building experiences that make them feel something. Therefore, every pixel, every element, every choice has an intent because it's part of a message. It's crafted, it's tested, and it's refined until it resonates. But here's the problem. AI rolls in with its pattern generators and random content, and then every amateur with a program thinks that they're a game designer. They have a script spit out some random encounters, and maybe it assembles a world that technically works, and then they think they've nailed it. But that's because they're blind to literally everything that makes game design a real discipline. Game design isn't just about creating assets or spawning enemies or building out a quest line. Real game design means understanding player psychology. It's knowing what drives people, knowing what challenges them, and knowing what makes their choices matter. And it's a craft that goes way beyond just tech or automation because it's about knowing what players actually value. And so the irony is I see people calling themselves experts because they've let AI fill in the blanks, and they're now convinced that this somehow makes them game designers. But all they're doing is just passing off these mindless, repetitive patterns as design because they don't get that design is about intention, not automation. So they keep delivering players these shallow, forgettable experiences, and they call it game design. And frankly, it's insulting, and that's why I'm here ranting about it. Because if you're really serious about game design, then you have to get beyond the tools and the shortcuts. Players know when a world was designed with intention and when it's just some empty space with random crap thrown in. They can also tell when an enemy's crafted to challenge them and when it's just some meaningless randomized nonsense. So this series isn't for the AI hype crowd or anyone looking for shortcuts. It's for the ones who actually want to understand what real game design takes.